I am on a roll this month. I'm so excited. Hello, welcome back to my corner of the internet. As you guys can see from the title, today is my final update before the finale of my spring project pan, which I'm excited about because that means summer's around the corner. You guys, I did not know how to dress today. The beginning of this week, we were in the 90s, sweating. I got a tan from sitting outside of my kids' sports. And then we are here 2 days later, freezing cold, rainy, no sun. I hope that my garden does not die because I planted everything last weekend thinking that we were in the clear. Of course not. Of course not. Why would I think that Jersey would get it together? Not, apparently not. Spring sucks, you guys. Spring sucks. So I'm here in a hoodie because I am cold. I don't know what to wear. I put all my stuff away. I don't know what to wear anymore. So I am here to share with you guys my update. But before I do, I also want to mention that with that being said, summer is around the corner, which means that I have about a monthish left of full-time work before the summer comes. And then I take the summer off to be home with my kids to save money on these summer camps are getting more expensive. So I stay home with the kids, which means that I will be able to give more time to my YouTube channel as well as my Instagram. I've been struggling a lot with working a lot. I posted something on my community tab that I wanted you guys to check out. So if you haven't done so, I'd love for you guys to vote so then I know where to go during the summer and into the fall. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up, just in case you did not see that. Okay, now that we got all the housekeeping out of the way, let's get into the update of this month. All right, as of last update, we had finished 2 products. We had finished the NYX lip gloss that I had, the lip oil lip gloss. I finished that one up, as well as my Morphe powder. So out of the 6, I believe, that I had in here, 2 were already finished. So let's start out with the one that is still here. That is my MAC Painterly. I have 1 more month with this, and then I will be rolling this out for a different shade. So this one, this past month, I used 23 times, and you guys will see the close-up. I have a pretty good dip in here. I am so proud of myself. That is a nice crevice going on in this product. So I have gone down, I would say, like 50.5 grams of this product, around there roughly. You'll see everything on the screen, but I have used it quite a bit. It's been used 23 times. In total, this has been used 45 times in this project pan. That is not counting any kind of usage that I had prior to this. So I have 1 more month. So if I still stay on the same track, I'll use this an additional 20 to 25 more uses, and then it'll be rolled out. I don't know if by then I'll hit pan or the bottom of the jar. But if I don't, that's okay, because I have gotten quite a bit of this and it has gone down. So this is still in the running, and I don't expect to hit pan on that, honestly. I really don't. Now let's move on to our eyeliners. I still have my Mally Milk Chocolate eyeliner in here. So you will see the progress of this eyeliner. This is going down, and I've been using it quite a bit. So this last month, I used it 22 times. Total usage of 42 uses in this project pan. And we're getting there, I am wearing this again on my outer V. I really like to use this just as a accent all over. I really have, like, I'm very, very happy that I'm getting close to finishing it up, but I'm gonna miss it. I really am gonna miss it because it's a unique brown. It very much is. So I still have it here. It will be rolled into summer. I don't think I'll finish it in another month. So it'll be still here, you guys. And that's what I love this one the most in the summer, because I feel like it really looks beautiful with my tan. So I'm happy to at least see it finishing up as the summer comes. Now, 2 more products in here. You guys are gonna be so excited for me. So the Nars liner. I used this an additional 22 uses this past month, going for a total of 42 uses. And you guys, we have officially finished this baby off. Now I'm going to explain to you guys what happened as I gotten closer to the bottom of it. So here is where the actual sharp, like the plastic starts. So this whole thing is not the actual pencil. The sharpening would have stopped right here. So this would have ended like about right here. A little nubby, like I would say maybe 2 millimeters worth, as I was sharpening it the last time, fell out and detached itself from the actual pencil and fell in the trash. So the last like 2 millimeters I did not use up solely because it fell in the trash. But honestly, like this is all of the pencil that's left that isn't that isn't plastic, and I wouldn't have been able to sharpen it down any further anyway. I was already struggling to try to sharpen this. I didn't realize it, to be honest with you, when I kept going, how much of the plastic was there, and I was almost at the end. This was beautiful. I tightlined with this. I think I used this a total of close to a year's worth, and this was a deluxe sample size, you guys. So I have quite a bit to go. I have started now on a new black eyeliner, so that's where we're going with. I have some in the running that I'm using. I rarely buy black eyeliners. Actually, the next two that I am having on rotation were also gift with purchases, so I didn't buy those. This was a gift with purchase, so I didn't buy this one either. But I'm happy to say that one out of the two eyeliners that I wanted to finish this year has officially been done. So, and I would repurchase it. Like, I would actually spend my money on this eyeliner. I think this line is really, really good. I really enjoyed it a lot. So we finished that off, and I am excited for that. Let's continue on that high, shall we? The last product that I had in here was my NYX Nude Beige Liner, you guys. Last month I used it 16 times. This month I used it an additional 16 times for a total of 32 uses. And I am struggling to get this out. Guys, I finished this off. Look at that little nubby. I finished this off. This was a lip liner that was my second one. This is the second one that I've used up of this one. So I can really say that I enjoyed it, but I think I enjoy it more. I would say I would enjoy this more when I want something more cooler on my lips. So I really did enjoy it. I'm struggling to say that I love it because I have better things in my collection. I'm being blunt with you guys. I felt like this was a little bit too dry for what I like. I don't like something too creamy. I don't like something too dry. I like it right in the middle. Like, MAC lip liners are just my favorite. They're just my favorite. And I always compare my things to my benchmark products, and that is my benchmark lip liner. And I just don't like it more than my MAC lip liner. So in all honesty, I don't think I'll purchase these again. I'll just stick to buying my lip liners on sale on MAC's website. So I am going to say goodbye. I used 2 of these up, and I'm very proud of that. But I'm done. I'm good. I think I have found things in my collection that I already love more that I'll stick to. But I have finished that one yet again. Okay, you guys. So out of my 6 products, I am down to 2, which is my paint pot and my Mally liner. That is actually an accomplishment. Out of the 6 products, I only have 2 left. So my finale is going to be quick, easy, and to the point. As you guys know, this isn't rolling style. I just like to use my things up or meet my goals in this project pan seasonally, and I just have been having a blast with it. I am already making my list for summer, and I am so excited to share with you guys the products that I'm bringing in there because I'm trying to rotate, not make it the same thing, another lip liner, another foundation, another powder. I try to mix it up for each season so then you're not bored seeing the same product category being panned. I know I'm good at panning powders. I know I'm good at panning bronzers, but that doesn't necessarily mean that I'm going to keep putting them in. So I'm going to rotate, and I already started my list for the summer, and I'm very excited to share it with you guys because some of these will be a challenge, and I'm very thrilled. So now that I have finished one of my actual ones that get rolled over, I have to figure that out because I didn't expect to finish that as I made my list. So now I got some homework to do for the intro that comes up next. So that is it, you guys. I am doing such a great job. What do I see myself in the finale happening? I hope that I get at least another 20 uses out of this. And if that gets me closer to the bottom of this jar, then that's amazing. If I hit the pan, that's awesome. I don't know how deep it is. And I don't want to stick my finger and ruin the surprise. I want to genuinely be surprised if I do hit pan on this. But this is something that I'm using every day. I have it on today. You guys have seen me use it on Get Ready With Me, so you are fully aware of how I use it. And I really enjoy it. But I'm excited to roll in the next color that I want to use up. So that is it, you guys. Any suggestions, any comments, anything you guys want to see, let me know down in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have been having a lot of fun with my project pans this year, and I am holding back on adding any more because I'm doing such a great job. So thank you guys again for all of your support. May God bless you always, and I will catch you guys in the next video.